Today we are going to make iron skillet oven chuck roast the simple way. First, you need to sear all sides of your chuck roast. While you're doing this, you want to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees while you get that nice hard sear around both sides. Then add 1/4 cup of hot water into the iron skillet. Go ahead and add slices of onions. Then you're going to cook it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you proceed with adding in your additional ingredients. Cook until everything is fork tender and you have a delicious meal.